Hi y'all! My name is Sarah. Welcome to my channel and happy 2020. It is a new year and it's a new decade, which is so cool. I think it's so awesome that we are now in a new decade. So awesome. So today I am super excited to share with you guys yet another Redbird vintage box. I loved the last two that I got, so I decided to just do another opening, and this one is really cool. I'm just really excited to share it with you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. It's so pretty. They always wrap things so nicely. Sarah, extras included due to wear on the bag. Hope you love your box, Sarah and Kara. It's actually really funny because I have a best friend named Kara and my name is Sarah. I just find it really funny that that's the names of the people. Oh, it looks like a leaf, but it could also be, I don't know, maybe a feather. Has a little pearl in it. I love pearls. So the first thing I got is this beautiful little pin. I absolutely love the detailing and the sparkles in it. So cute. The little, let's see. Hey Google, look up Christmas flowers. So there's some beautiful poinsettias on this pin, and that is one of my favorite flowers. It just pops. It's red like red lipstick, and it just pops. So this will go perfect with any outfit. Actually, this may even go good with what I'm wearing right now. So. Oh, this perfect little wreath. I'm gonna take it out of its baggie. This is the cutest little wreath pin. Oh my goodness, I've always wanted a wreath for a pin. And this is absolute perfection. Oh, I'm definitely wearing this. This is the one. So, this is a piece I actually ordered extra for them to put in my box. And oh my gosh, it's a little ornament on some holly. Absolutely beautiful. And it's detailed beautifully. Whoever made this pen, good job. It is literally the perfect Christmas pin. So cute. Best decision ever. We got some earrings. So these are little clip-ons. My ears are pierced, but I'm okay with wearing a cute clip-on. It's a little reindeer. How cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. I'm gonna actually enjoy wearing this throughout the winter season, even though it's, you know, Christmas is kind of past. Like, your girl might actually wear this today when she goes to the coffee shop to edit pictures. I love this box. It's a locket. I've always wanted a cute locket. Wow. Oh my goodness. My heart, literally my heart is so happy right now. This is a dream come true necklace. I think that's one of my favorite pieces. Alright, so they also gave me a beautiful scarf. Oh my goodness. I have been wanting to collect some headscarves and just scarves to wear just with certain clothing items and different looks. And this is absolutely beautiful. Ah, I just love it. I feel so fancy. I love scarves. They're absolutely beautiful. So, yay. Alright y'all, so this is the one. This is the one I've been waiting to open this entire time. This is the purse that I had them add to my box because I saw it online and was just like, oh my god, I need it. It's drop dead gorgeous, so. Ooh. Wow, it is so beautiful, so detailed. It reminds me of Ariel a little bit, but oh my gosh, y'all. This is the purse I've been waiting for the last month. So I am so excited to finally have it in my hands. And oh my gosh, it's even gorgeous inside. Shoot. Wow. What a lovely, lovely find. Honestly, I think this has been my favorite box out of all the ones that I've gotten, and this is not the last. I'm probably gonna do another one in a few months. If you guys have been curious about Red Bird Vintage and whether or not you would like to try it, you totally should. You get good bang for your buck. I'll tell you that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe if you want to keep seeing content like this. I upload once a week, still trying to figure out what day of the week I would like to make my upload day, but I know I like to film usually towards the middle or the end of the week. I'm trying to figure all that out, but thank you for bearing with me and thank you for following along. If you are still subscribed, if you have just subscribed, whether you just found this video, I thank you for your support and for watching. And if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, it is at Sarah Claire Vintage. I would be so glad if you would follow me. And I really hope that you guys have a blessed day. See ya! I'm literally gonna have to cut out like 5 minutes of this video because of cars. Okay. Car. Just trying to film a video here. Sir. So these has some point. Beautiful. Yeah. The baby.